So here we have a pretty classic algebra question. It says the length of a rectangle is 5 more than the width. Find the length if the perimeter is 90 centimeters. So let's draw ourselves on the side a little rectangle. And this doesn't have to be to scale. It's just to jog your memory a little bit. Okay. So the width, let's call it x. X equals the width. Put x there. And then from the question we have the length of the rectangle is 5 more than the width. So x plus 5 more than the width, is equal to the length. Okay, and so I'm going to draw that on the rectangle over here. Now, the opposite side is going to be the same. So we have x over here and x plus 5 over here. Let's refresh our memory. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? It is the sum of the length of each side. So if we write x plus 5 plus x plus 5. And I'm going to just put parentheses around all of these here so you can kind of see each one represents our sides that we've kind of drawn over on the rectangle. Okay, this is equal to our perimeter. Now, the question tells us that the length of our perimeter is 90 centimeters. So let's equate this to 90. So 90 centimeters. Now, from this big mess of an equation here, we can join some like terms. We see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. Okay, so x plus x plus x plus x equals 4x. And then 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 4x plus 10 is equal to 90. So we have a nice equation here that we can solve very easily. And you all remember, we're going to isolate this x, so we'll subtract 10 from both sides. And that leaves us with 4x equal to 80. And then we'll divide both sides by 4. And we get x is equal to 20. Okay, now let's check and make sure that we answered what the question wanted. The question says find the length, but we see here where we defined our variables, and I'll change the, actually say, put this in yellow here. We defined our variable over there to say that x is the width. So we need to take this x that we've just gotten and plug it back into the equation for our length there. So x plus 20. X plus 5. X plus 5 is the length. And we have 20 equal to x. So by the substitution property of equality, we can plug in 20 for x, and we get 20 plus 5 is equal to the length, which is just 25. And that is your answer. So we'll box that. Hope that helped.